so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Wow.
Waterfall resounds in the deep forest. I stand alone. The wind blows through the dancing leaves. Walk and follow your dreams by yourself. The stars are full of the sky, inviting me to continue walking across the mountain further than this. The heart beats with the adventure that has nature guides me. I will go farther than the horizon. This path is an adventure. Forests and waterfalls are my home. Nothing can stop me. Let the EDM rhythm move. Let me dance to the big forest. Every breath is free adventure with the wind. Run, go further than before. The waterfall flows, I'm still running. The sound of nature echoes in the heart. Every step is full of energy. In this forest I am free. Nothing can stop me. The stars are full of the sky, inviting me to continue walking across the mountain further than this. The heart beats with the adventure that has nature guides me. I will go farther than the horizon. This path is an adventure. Forests and waterfalls are my home. Nothing can stop me. Let the EDM rhythm move. Let me dance to the big forest. Every breath is free adventure with the wind. Adventure in nature. I also ran to the endless destination. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me.
นี่เป็นทางที่จะขึ้นไปปีนเขาขึ้นไปข้างบนนั้นนะ
Sharp rocks and steep paths. The wind blows through the loud whispers. Take me to the top of my dreams. A cloud of clouds floating farthest in the sky. There is still a long way to go. Even the sweat drips on the shell, but the heart is still moving forward. When I reach the top of the mountain, I saw beautiful waterfall. Pay attention to hear the sound of flowing water. Nature is beautiful at this time. Me and nature are one. The bird that falls on the mountain. I saw the birds singing from the tops of tall It's worth every minute. Nature taught me to know the happiness is all around.
ใกล้ๆเลยครับ
It takes effort to move forward. In addition to family in the heart, this means a lot. Mind healing, suffering treatment make me happy every day. What I have experienced is nature that loves each other. Ooh. Look at the stars, peaceful and happy. There are warm lights around the fire. The tents spread under the shadow of candlelight. Backing myself in simplicity. This happiness doesn't mean anything. This happiness is very simple. Living by nature, forget the hustle and bustle in the big city. Take a breath and let go. Sit and listen to the sound of the new by Waterfall. Feel the wind blowing through a life without hate. Me with nature and happiness. The starlight fills the white sky. I lie down and listen to the sound of the stream flow. Around the fire, we sat and talked softly. still sitting next to the same fire. This happiness has been with me for a long time. Simplicity is what the heart needs.
นอนลง
This
ยากก็พอขึ้น
happiness is very simple. Live it by nature. Forget the hustle and bustle in the big city. Take a break and let go. Sit and listen to the sound of the nearby waterfall. Feel the wind blowing through. A life without haste. Just me with nature and happiness. A life that doesn't require much. Just have nature with happiness in your heart.
พบจริงๆสุดเป็นลูก
This happiness is very simple. Live it by nature. Forget the hustle and bustle in the big city. Take a break and let go. Sit and listen to the sound of the nearby waterfall. Feel the wind blowing through. A life without haste. Just me with nature and happiness.
ว้ายโอ้สุดยอด